Take off the foo-foo, take off the cloud chase, take off the Wi-Fi. Take off the money phone, take off the car loan, take off the flex and the white loss. Take off the weird ass jewelry, I'ma take 10 steps, then I'm taking off top off. Take off the fabricated streams and the microwave memes, it's a real world outside.
Shit. Alright, check, mic test. Check. Hey. So, for the last 2 weeks, I have been uploading videos to YouTube and Instagram and TikTok non-stop, testing out what styles, what formats I enjoy, and what styles and formats are actually bringing in numbers and whatnot. For this video, I wanted to talk about the difficulties of doing this, the hardest part about YouTube, the hardest part about content creation, and possible ways to overcome this period of low numbers and low viewership and low growth. For the last 2 weeks, I have been just going ham on videos and learning how to color grade as my push, my motivation. I've always wanted to learn how to color grade. I've always wanted to kind of get into that space. And so now that I'm, testing out this new software and going for it every single day, it is my driving force to post. Like, posting is just whatever to me. It's like number 2 to learning how to color grade and learning how to edit. And I'm just creating something every single day, so why not post? The most discouraging thing is when you're posting and you've put in a lot of effort into something and nothing comes out of it. Like, nobody watches it. Only your friends and family watch it. It doesn't grow like you want it to. So, like, when you wake up every single day and, you're excited to get to work, you're excited to work on this video, you do it, and then you upload it and nobody watches it. That's the hardest thing, because how are you going to wake up the next morning and get back to work and do it again if nobody's going to watch? But that right there is going to be the thing that takes you from, giving up when nobody's watching to reaching 100 subscribers, reaching 1,000 subscribers, and then reaching that point where your average views are 1,000 views, and then it just keeps on increasing and increasing and increasing. It's that consistency that's going to push you forward and to continue working and making content even when you don't want to. I think there's a saying where discipline will take over when motivation is gone. So that's, I think, step number 1 in overcoming this. It's just being consistent and just pushing through this little phase where nobody's watching. Step number 2, research. I did not research at all when I was starting off with YouTube, and I was able to gain this audience somehow. What more if I researched how to push my videos forward more, how to title my videos correctly, when to post my videos, what tags to use, how to write a proper description for my video. Like, all of these things are important. So researching and making time to learn what works for what platform is very important, and it is a key step to growing. Last step is to not give up. I think for me especially, there are moments where I'm just telling myself, this is not working. Nothing is going for you. Nobody's watching. Like, why are you doing this? But I'm not even doing this for the viewerships, and I'm not even doing this for whatever fame that may be on the other side if, you cross that threshold. I just love creating content. I love learning how to do new editing styles, and I love color grading, and I love learning new skills and pushing myself as far as I can possibly go to see what can happen. That obsessiveness to see things kind of grow and take its shape on its own, that to me is the most exhilarating thing about content creation and growing on these platforms. I could care less about, whatever comes my way. I just love this. So love whatever you're doing. Find something that you absolutely love and just do it with all of your heart, because at the end of the day, the following, the money, the fame, that don't mean shit if you're not enjoying what you're doing. So that's that on that. I don't know why I even thought to make this video. This is just a video for myself, for my future self. to say, hey, don't forget where you came from when you only had 10 views. Okay? Don't forget. Because something's going to happen, man. Something is going to happen, and it's going to be great. Something's just going to pop off. And yeah. All right, that's it.
Take off the foo-foo, take off the cloud chase, take off the Wi-Fi, take off the money phone, take off the car loan, take off the flex and the white line.